In this video, we will see how to create an event and edit event labels. So go to calendar bookings, click on add event, enter title here. So for example, trial, enter webhook URL if you want, enter description, select a start date for your event and select an end date. If you don't want your event to end, you can select a date probably in the next year. Enter slot duration. So this is basically the duration for which appointment is being booked. It should be in minutes. Location type can be manually or Zoom. I'm selecting manually here. Enter location. So XYZ address. Set booking status. It can be pending or approved. If you want that you manually approve bookings, then set it to pending here. And if you want that as soon as a booking is created, it is approved, then select approved here. Next, event type can be paid or free. If it is paid, enter event amount. Now this trigger times for reminder trigger. So for example, if I want to get a reminder before 30 minutes, I will set this to 30. Similarly, I can add more trigger times here. So I'm adding 60. And 15 here. So I will receive a reminder before 15 minutes, 30 minutes and 60 minutes. Click on create. Now to edit label, click on this edit icon. Scroll down. You can edit any field if you want from here. And you can update custom labels from here. So for example, I want the label of detailed field 1 as venue. I can simply set this to venue. Detail 2 can be category. And so on. Similarly, I can change label for identifiers also. So booking ID for example, and then click on update. Thank you.